Good? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries, guys. My name's Jonathan, that's Krista, that's baby Miles. He's already wrecked his Razor and we're not even at the dunes yet. It's Sunday. It's time for a road trip, boys and girls. We're headed off to UTV Takeover. So excited. We got Will, he just pulled out of his spot. We're about to go meet up with him. And then we're going on an adventure. 839 miles. It's gonna be great. It's windy out right now. My favorite thing to drive through in a huge motorhome is wind. I know, first world problems, right? So, let's go. Come on, buddy, let's go. No? I guess Miles is staying here. And we are up. All right, guys, we stopped and got some fuel. Krista's getting some pizza. We're at the Maverick. And guess what we need? The old blue stuff. That stupid stuff. Been riding on empty pretty much this whole time. And I forgot to put it in there. I looked down, I was like, oh God, I got one bar. You know how these stupid things are. If you don't put it in there, they'll blow up on you. Or something like that. Look, guys, it's Will. Y'all thought I was probably telling a fib that somebody was here with me. No, I have a friend. And then we got Jason and we got Holly. We've joined together, joined forces. We've united, and now we shall proceed. Made it to Oregon, just the beginning part. There, dude. Say we made it. You tell everybody? Well, we didn't make it all the way. Halfway. We made it to Gordy's, right? Gordy's truck stop. Diesel prices are $3.88 a gallon. Not that that'll be, or $5.88 a gallon. It's expensive. It's not Utah.
That ain't too bad.
Miles, come grab the camera.
Actually, had 92. 91?
Oh, really? I should have stopped and got me some of that. Miles, let's go get some food, bro. I swear this kid is he's just like a dog. Like our dog anyways, that just runs off. Like, he was going off into the abyss. Where were you trying to go?
Out of here.
Your cow.
Wait, look at that, Miles. Daddy finally won you something. Yay, good job, babe. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Look how cute. You tell Daddy thank you. Look, it's a sleeper, Marlo. Okay, come on, let's go see Leia. Oh, you love him? Give a kiss. Oh, he loves him. Oh, shoot. Come on. All right.
We got the wall of shame, guys. Have you seen these people? If you have, don't be no snitch. I can't believe I just won him a cow. I won him so many things.
That's awesome. You're good at those.
Crazy, right? Come on, jump. Jump. Damn it. Jump. Jump.
Where do you got his arm?
Yeah, went for my son.
3.
Went for my son's birthday. I'm probably hug that same way. Hang out a couple days with you.
We're in a truck parking lot, guys. The kids are running wild. They act like this place is a playground. I have found some interesting objects on the ground, to say the least. Probably not, I would say not short to say that some of the characters out here in Oregon are, well, they're different from Utah. I don't know if it's a good thing, they're just different. We made the treacherous adventure to and fro, and now we are here. We got Will, we got Leia, we got Holly, Krista, Noah McKenzie, I don't know where they're at. Fancy to Fleetwood, Colt's almost here, Tracy and Matt are almost here. Miles is running wild. If you guys are ever coming this way, I think I might have said it, I don't know if I did or not, but Gordy's truck stop, pretty cool spot, plenty of parking, decent food, and good time. So, but it's been a good trip so far. Fancy, she did good, no issues, got her 6 miles per gallon like she always gets. I was hoping diesel would fall a little bit more, but it did drop like 50 cents since I came back from Invasion, and I literally on purpose didn't fill my tank. And 50 cents, it doesn't sound like a lot to some people, but 50 cents in that thing, that means it's $50 more per 100 gallons. And that makes a difference. Especially you fill up 4 times or whatever, you end up spending $200 more. That's $200 I could do something else with, you know? So, anyways, I'll update you guys in a bit.
Look who made it! Woo! We got Colton Bybee in the house! Look at those machines! Looking like a Skittles rainbow pack.
That is pretty sick. I'd bob that shit.
Hey, I like how, did you intentionally color coordinate black, white, black, white?
Oh damn, you guys got lowered like crazy.
Yeah, dude. So where's the horns? Miles, what you got there, babe? You got your couch?
Yeah.
Yeah? You blowing it up?
A referee in charge of the octagon, Mark God.
We got the fight on in the parking lot at a truck stop. Colt made it.
Yeah, he'd get $1 million if I said
This is wild. That fight was crazy. If you're an MMA fan, UFC, any of that, that was an absolutely insane fight. Oh, time to go to bed. Good morning, guys. We got a convoy. Oh man, my eyes are red. Anyways, we got a convoy. It is Monday morning, guys. Krista and Miles, I think, are still asleep. And yeah, so let's get on the road. We got water. We got Dutch Bros. Oh, where's our child? Oh, okay. Okay, we got children. We got Obs, we got Aurora, we got little baby Miles. Why does he always look so drunk? we made it. Got a cool spot that they set us up with. We're kind of like in a little triangle here at Boxcar. Pardon the mess, guys. This will look organized. I'm gonna do a little snap. It didn't work. It's still terrible looking. Either way, we made it, guys. We got Krista over here. Got Aubrey. I don't know where my son is. Got Aurora. Got Matt. Oh, he's there somewhere. We got Lucille.
Miles, where are you?
Where's Miles?
Miles!
Miles and Aubrey are like BFFFs. Like they gotta be with each other at all times. Throwing some paddles on, making the cars look all pretty and ready. We're about to take a ride over to Hauser real quick, because apparently they sell E85 there. We got Holly. Don't be afraid, Holly. We are on the hunt for E85 and race fuel, guys.
Again, trying to steal it from me, man. What are we doing here?
Look what Jason made me do, babe. We came to find fuel. The only thing we found was Ethan and ice cream.
Shout out to Ethan. What's his name?
Jason was getting attacked by the mailman. He wouldn't stop following us. It's one of those you'd have to be here moments.
Trying to be courteous. Just driving around.
Well, that was short-lived. Is it gonna follow you?
Something tells me he's been out for a while.
Yeah. He said he's been out, but when we looked in the little boxes that say VP race fuel on it, it's full of DEF. And
I think he's been out for a year. He's been out for a while. Year or two.
We found the E85, guys. I like how he's got it all like up in this bunker right here, guys. What's going on here? What is that? So this is Hauser here at the campground. I've never actually been here before, so this is mostly sand. I would get stuck so fast right here, guys. So Mike went out and bought himself a Polaris Expedition, guys.
Actually, it's, fuel prices are tough right now, so this is kind of my more economical, you know, all week on a tank of gas edition.
He used to have a Can-Am Defender, and he switched to the correct side. As you can tell, it is a real Polaris Expedition. We got Sparco steering wheel. I like how you went for the aftermarket shifter on here.
I couldn't have the minivan, you know, steering wheel. Had to upgrade.
And what about, I see you've put some nice pod lights on there. Yeah. Are those Baja
These
designs?
are the previous owner. He spared no expense.
Yeah, I can tell it's a Type S.
Yeah, these are Type S.
Okay, I like his mounting.
They're actually Type Sector 7. This is before Sector 7 was around.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's going on here with the mounting? This is
weight reduction. So this hood has actually been shaved and milled down.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay,
so
got it.
Everything on this.
So mighty fine. Is this new? This looks like a newer grill here.
No, I had to spray paint these up before I take over. You know, I'm kind of a big deal out here. And then
tell me about the wheels, dude. These wheels are, they look like they don't weigh hardly anything.
They're 29s. I run smaller, lighter wheels.
What's your air pressure you run on these bad boys?
910.
9 and 10. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. I like how you've logoed it in every direction.
Yeah.
That's and it's a convertible, guys.
It's a rag top.
DGK all day. Oh, a Trash Panda Offroad. Yeah. I like that. Okay. I like that you got your whip here. You just went straight for what used to be, I assume.
Didn't work the first time I tried it, but the second time was a charm.
I'm feeling really like we need to add a little bit more stability here, maybe.
Maybe I'll take the sheetrock or the.
I mean, that seems pretty. That seems sturdy.
I'm looking for sponsorships for flag companies. You know?
Rip rod, isn't it? There you go. I mean, that is a rip rod, actually.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, you even got a whip, bro?
Homemade ones that came with the, you know. I mean, this car, I think, costs less than the steering quickener in the math.
All right, you guys, we made it to Coos Bay. We got a beautiful view. We got Will here. We got all the people. So now we're gonna go do a little ride to the beach.
Well,
You guys are good.
no, we're not. No, we're not. That didn't end up the way we wanted it to. It's not good. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.